Bubba?
Hi.
Hi, Rocky. Oh, yeah.
Yes. And what is Jesus in the nativity scene? Is he a big guy or a little guy? Yeah, he's a baby, right? Oh.
That's the king.
How many kings are there?
Like,
How many are there?
three.
Oh.
The black baby
Yep, you can put them up there.
Can I put them?
Yeah.
What's in here?
Oh. Who is that? No, hold on. Grace, how about you put down Elmo?
The king.
Yeah. And how many kings are there?
Wait,
You're right.
two.
No, there's
Now
two.
there are two.
Now there are two. So just put them up there. We'll rearrange it once we get everything.
There was in here.
Let's see, who's this one? Who's that?
I don't know.
She looks kind of different than a lot of the pictures you usually see of her.
Jesus.
It's Jesus' mom. Her name is...
Mary.
Well, I think we all know what this is. No. Claire, we're just going to take our turn. Hold it with your hand.
That's my tool.
Oh, no.
That's my zombie. Zombie. That's the dad.
Hey, Mama, come here.
Oh, who's that?
Joseph. The extra.
Okay.
Bill.
I'm going to move some of these out of the way so we can keep talking.
Because he's got